Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making buffalo wings. First thing first, preparing the wings. We've got the tip, flat, and drummet. The tip isn't really eatable, so you can throw it away or you can save it for later to make a stock out of it. Now cut the flat and drummet apart just like this. Find the joint and cut it right in between. Now that they're separated, pat them dry with a paper towel and place them on a rack. Pop them in the fridge to dry for at least a few hours, or even better, overnight. Remember, moisture is the enemy of crispy wings. Let's move on to buffalo wing sauce. It's simple. You're gonna need 1 cup hot sauce, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cloves garlic, and 2 tablespoons ketchup. Add hot sauce in a pot. Make sure your stove is set on low. Add 4 tablespoons of butter. Add salt. Add ketchup. And add minced garlic. And then just cook it long enough to melt the butter, but not to boil it. Take it off the stove and set it on the side. Alright, the wings are dried and it's time to fry. Heat the oil on 375, gently drop the wings into the oil. Always drop away from you to avoid splashes. And also don't drop them from the high up. This is important, don't fill your pot more than halfway with oil, but also needs to be about 2 inches deep. Make sure you stir them up so they're not stuck to the pot. Fry the wings for about 12 to 18 minutes until they're golden brown and crisp all around. You can tell when they're done by the color, and they should twist off the bone easy. Look at that golden perfection. Place the paper towel on the bottom of the dish where you're transferring them to soak up the extra oil. As soon as you transfer them, add salt and pepper. Remove the paper towel. Now comes the fun part. Sauce the wings. You want them well coated but not drowning. Toss them gently or use tongs if you prefer. I love hearing that crisp sound when the wings hit the bowl. You can serve your buffalo wings with blue cheese or ranch, carrots and celery, right? And don't forget, if you're not getting messy, you're doing it wrong. Sure, it takes a little more time to make your wings at home, but trust me, it's worth it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.